We're in a different part of Hickory Hills.
Polara Bulldogs.
Oh yeah, Polara Bulldogs over here. Polara Engineering. Yep. These are Polara. These are nicer than the other ones that we just saw in Hickory Hills. We're gonna cross over there by Walgreens, I think. Or are we gonna cross that way?
There's the walking guy.
There's a here we go. We just crossed over 88th Avenue. Hickory Hills over here has better, more updated crosswalks. The Polara Bulldogs. Now we're gonna cross 95th Street. Woo! Made it across 95th Street this time. Uh-oh, somebody lost their slippers. Oh my goodness.
Bulldogs.
Polara Bulldogs. Oh, these are better. Better than the other ones, than the McCain's. At least they beep. Now we just have to wait. And we're gonna cross 88th. Now we crossed 88th Avenue. Oh my goodness.
Those are Polara Bulldogs.
These are Polara Bulldogs at 88th Avenue and Hickory Hills on 95th Street. And now I think we can cross that way. We just crossed 95th Street. We got plenty of time left. Okay, bye-bye crosswalk. Polara Bulldog crosswalk buttons. Bye!